Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Earth's Medicine. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to make noni juice the easy way. And we're also going to be sharing the benefits that you can get from drinking noni juice. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Noni juice is basically a juice that is made from this fruit, which is a ripe fruit that comes from a noni tree, which is this tree. Now, if you would like to get a profile of the noni tree and how to use the mature fruits and leaves to make tea, then please click on the link right here or the link in the description below. Noni juice contains high levels of vitamins and minerals. It has a good amount of phytochemicals and antioxidants. It can help you to lose weight and protect your liver from toxic substances. It can help to improve your energy levels and stimulate bowel movement. It can relieve pain that is caused by arthritis and help to lower fasting glucose, improving glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity. It can help to strengthen your immune system, relieve muscle spasm, help to lower your cholesterol and lower your blood pressure, and help you to maintain a healthy heart. It can speed up the recovery of the wound healing process and promote healthy skin as well. Okay guys, before we continue with how to prepare the noni juice, we're gonna ask you kindly to hit that like button right now and to leave a comment and to share this video as well if you have been finding value in the video so far. Also, if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more content like this in the future, we're going to ask you kindly to hit that subscribe button right now. And please remember to turn on your post notifications, because when you do that, you will get an alert when we upload our next video. Thank you so much guys. Now let's get right back to the video. So guys, for your ingredients, you're going to need one noni fruit that is well ripened and some water. But the amount of water needed really depends on how thick you want your juice to be. Noni fruits have a very strong, unpleasant smell and taste, so you might want to add some fruits and some fruit juice to this recipe. But if you are diabetic, these things can cause your blood sugar levels to spike. I'm going to be making my juice minus these things. And one more thing guys, one noni fruit can provide enough juice for 2 persons. Now let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to do is to wash your noni properly. Then you're going to cut it into small pieces. and add it to your blender. Add some water, and if you so desire, you can go ahead and add your fruits and fruit juice. Blend for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then strain the mixture into a container. You can use a spoon to stir the mixture along while it's being strained. Then use the back of the spoon to press against the pulp and the seeds. If the mixture is too thick, you can always add more water or more juice. Just so you know, when you dilute the noni juice, it will improve the flavor and make it easier for you to drink it. Okay guys, so the final step is to pour the liquid into a glass. So there you have it, your noni juice. A recommended starting dose is 1 ounce once or twice a day, so morning and evening. And it's best to drink it on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning or half an hour before meals. Once your body becomes used to it, you can increase the dose as desired. In terms of storage, you can refrigerate any unused raw noni juice in an airtight container for up to 2 to 3 weeks. So noni juice is oftentimes available in the blended form, and you can get it to buy on Amazon, so I've included a link in the description below. If you would like to take a look, you can just click on this link and it will take you to the latter. However, please note though that if you should make a purchase, I will receive a small commission, but it will not be of an extra cost to you. Please note also that many noni fruit juices contain added sugars, which can cause a variety of health issues, like diabetes and heart disease, etc. So be sure to check the label before drinking noni juice to get a good idea of the amount of sugar and additives that are in the brand that you have chosen. There can be side effects associated with the use of noni juice, for instance, diarrhea, acute hepatitis, liver toxicity, and damage, and high blood potassium. Now, this isn't a complete list of side effects, and so other serious side effects could occur. Medical disclaimer: the information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill, or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.